Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful square. I love this square and I want to make something with it. I'm not sure what, but I made something like this. Maybe a cushion cover, maybe a bag, we will see. But first I want to show you how to make the squares. For this, I use a 5mm hook and category 3 yarns, acrylic yarns. You can use any kind of yarn and recommended hook. Hope you like this tutorial. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's totally free and we can start now. We are gonna start with a magic ring. You can also start with 4 chains, join from this first chain and make a ring. Work into it, but this will look better. Try this, okay? Just hold the yarn with your finger, wrap the yarn, and wrap it one more time, but this time make a kind of cross. Hold the yarn with your little finger. Insert your hook under this first strand, grab the second, pull it, make a twist, grab the second strand again, make a chain. Then chain 2 more and count this as your first double crochet. Yarn over, insert into the ring, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's a double crochet. We have 2 double crochets right now and we will make 10 more. 1, 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just close the ring. Insert from the third chain. Put the tail on the top of your hook. We will keep hiding it. Wrap the yarn. Make a slip stitch. Make a chain and cut this yarn. For the next row, we are gonna make increases, a kind of increases. But we will not use the stitch. Insert in between these 2 posts, okay? Not into the stitch, in between these last double crochet and chains. Just grab the yarn, make 3 chains as the first double crochet, and into this same place make 1 more double crochet. I'm gonna work around these tails, okay? Insert into this next space here, put 2 double crochet, into the next, put 2 double crochets. Two doubles, two doubles, keep repeating this. I can cut these ones. And now I'm gonna hide this one. You will have 24 double crochets in the end. And join from this third chain with a slip stitch. Chain 3, insert here in between these 2 double crochet sets. Put one more double crochet. This will be our first corner, but when we turn back here, we are going to complete it. Now just leave it like this. You are going to skip these 2 double crochets, okay? In between these 2 sets here, you are going to make 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Skip 2 into this next space, put 2 double crochets. We made 1, 2, 3. Into this next, skip 2, okay? Make 2 double crochets. Then chain 2 and make 2 more. Skip 2, 2 double crochets, skip 2, again skip 2 into the space we are gonna make the corner, 2 doubles, 2 chains, 2 doubles. We will repeat this make the corner again. Between these corners we have 2 sets. One, 2, without chaining, make 2 more. I'm at the first corner. I'm gonna put 2 double crochets here, and now I'm gonna join with a single crochet so I can directly start from the corner. Chain 1, insert from this third chain, grab the yarn. Instead of making a slip stitch, yarn over, pull through, sew. Chain 3 as a double into the same corner, make one more double. Now till this next corner we have 1, 2, 3 spaces. Think them like a granny, but with two double crochets. Okay, into this first space, 2 doubles, into the next, 2 doubles, next, 2 doubles, and next. Make the corner, 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 more double crochets. Next space, put 2 double, skip 2, 2 doubles, skip 2, 2 doubles, then make the corner. And you are gonna repeat this till the end. I'm at the end. Into this corner I'm gonna put 2 double crochets, chain 2, and join with a slip stitch from the 3rd chain. Make one more chain, cut the yarn. And that's all. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my website, Etsy, Ravelry, Pinterest. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.